To be consistent.
Yes, Pooja. What is a habit?
To be consistent
Okay, to be consistent with what?
with the regular things we are, matlab, with our lifestyle and that thing that please us. And the habit is normally we are doing brushing, and this is a habit. This is a nice habit.
Okay,
Some
so
habits are
something
like
which you
that.
repeat, something which you repeat or which is a routine for you is a habit for you.
Right, and some habits are like to people. I can't understand, express my feelings like whether they feel good for themselves also.
Okay,
No, it's a habit. Like some people do painting, it's a habit for them. They feel good for themselves.
right,
It's a routine for them.
right.
My sense ki matlab for feeling good also is a
Okay,
habit.
great. So when you do something, you feel good, or when you do something, you feel bad, or others also might have a judgment for you whether you have a good habit or a bad habit. Agreed, everyone? Show me a thumbs up if yes, you agree that a habit is something which you repeat. Okay, it's a routine for you. It could be good, it could be bad. Now, good or bad, let me tell you, it is subjective. हमारे यहाँ पे अपने फैमिली के साथ रहना गुड होता है, दूसरे कल्चर्स में एक्सटेंडेड फैमिलीज के साथ रहना अच्छा नहीं मानते, राइट? So a good or bad could be different upon cultures. It could be basis cultures or basis what you believe or what you have been brought up with. आप कैसे बड़े हुए हो? Yes. अगर आप अपनी मम्मी को तुम बोलते हो और आप मेरे घर आओगे और देखोगे नहीं नहीं मेरे घर पे तो सब लोग आप बोल रहे हैं, तो आपको लगेगा कि मेरी हैबिट खराब है, या मुझे लगेगा कि आपकी हैबिट खराब है. अग्रीड? अग्रीड? सो कभी कभी जो हमारा अच्छा और बुरा होता है हैबिट्स में, वो हमारे आसपास जो चीजें चल रही होती है उससे शेप होता है. करेक्ट? सो कोई सी भी हैबिट अपने आप में गुड और बैड नहीं होती. ओके, whenever we learn it according to the culture which in which we breathe, and that's how things become good or bad for us. ये सबको समझ में आता है? बहुत बड़ी बात है ये, बहुत ज्यादा बड़ी बात है. ओके, कि हमारा अच्छा और बुरा हम खुद शेप करते हैं. जिस तरीके से हम पले बड़े हैं, हम उस तरीके से उस चीज को समझते हैं कि वो अच्छी है या बुरी है. ओके, दूसरा वही काम करेगा, उसके लिए एक दूसरी डेफिनेशन होगी उसके अच्छे और बुरे की. ओके, यस. सो इज देयर अ गुड और बैड हैबिट? यस और नो, टाइप इन द चैट बिकॉज आई कांट सी टू पीपल. इज देयर अ गुड और बैड हैबिट? No, habits are neutral. No, Pooja, there is no good or bad habit. Habits are neutral. It's we who make them good or bad. Okay? It's we who make them good or bad. Okay? किसी के लिए नॉनवेज खाना एक हैबिट है, मेरे लिए वो बुरी हैबिट है, पर वो मैंने बनाई है अपने लिए. ओके, सो हैबिट अपने आप में अच्छी या बुरी नहीं होती, उसे हम अच्छा या बुरा बनाते हैं. Clear? This is clear, everybody, because this is very, very important for you people. Okay, so just write down in your notebook that habits are not good or bad. We attach the goodness or badness with it. Okay, habit is not good or bad. We attach the goodness or badness with it. हम उसे बंडल करते हैं एक साथ कि अच्छा ब्रशिंग रोज करना, इससे हमारे दांत अच्छे होते, तो ये गुड हैबिट है. नाउ इट्स कॉल्ड अ गुड हैबिट. ओके, वी डू लाइक दिस. क्लियर एवरीबडी? ओके. So habit is a routine. Till now we have discussed two things. Habit is a routine which we follow, okay, which we repeat. Second, it is not good or bad. अपने आप में. If it is a standalone, it's just a habit. It's just a routine. It becomes good or bad because in different cultures, the way different cultures operate, which makes them good or bad, or the societal way makes it good or bad. Okay? Yes? Now, जब हमें पता होता है कि ये हैबिट अच्छी है या ये हैबिट बुरी है, फिर भी हम उसे कंटिन्यू क्यों नहीं कर पाते? दैट्स द होल क्वेश्चन, राइट? फिर भी हम उसे क्यों नहीं कर पाते? जब हमारे कल्चर में किसी हैबिट को गुड बोल दिया या हमें पता है वो हमारे लिए अच्छी है, फिर भी हम उसे क्यों नहीं कर पाते? ओके, सो राइट डाउन दिस स्टेटमेंट, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वी आर एन एवरेज ऑफ 5 people around us. Write it down. We are, it's a very very powerful statement. We are an average of 5 people around us. ओके, मतलब कि हमारी जो पर्सनालिटी है वो काफी कुछ हमारे जो 5 लोग हमारे आसपास रहते हैं उनसे मिलती जुलती है, उनसे बहुत डिफरेंट नहीं होती. ठीक है, अभी आपके लाइफ में ऐसे 5 लोगों के नाम लिखो जिनसे आप डेली बेसिस पे मिलते हो, देखते हो, उठते हो, बैठते हो, ऐसे 5 लोगों के नाम लिखो आपके सर्कल में. क्विकली राइट डाउन.
काउंटिंग फैमिली मेंबर्स और मतलब आसपास का, मतलब जिससे डेली मिलते हैं
जिससे
मतलब.
आप डेली इंटरेक्ट करते हो, मतलब आपकी कोई फ्रेंड हो सकती है जिससे डेली बेसिस पे बात होती है. ओके, मतलब जो बहुत क्लोज है आपके. जैसे उठते बैठते हो आप पूरे टाइम अपनी मदर इन लॉ के साथ उठ रहे बैठ रहे हो, पूरे दिन आपको देख रही है वो, आप उन्हें देख रहे हो. ओके, या कोई वर्कर है जो दिन भर आपके घर में रहता है, आप उसके साथ उठ रहे बैठ रहे हो. या हस्बैंड का तो 100% होगा नाम, स्पाउस का तो नाम होगा, या बच्चों का नाम होगा. ओके, या मे बी आपके वर्क प्लेस पे आप किससे सबसे ज्यादा इंटरेक्ट करते हो, राइट? सो व्हेन यू आर डन जस्ट शो मी अ थम्स अप. थैंक यू नेहा. And two people who are in boxes, please. This is such a small gathering. I want you to show me your face. Thank you, Ranu. Pooja and Shikha, I'm waiting for you. Done. Pooja is also done. Okay. Shikha, you done? Yes. Okay, great. So now, look at these people. Do they also have strong habits like you? Like whatever habits you're trying to build? Are they very ambitious? You are an average of 5 people who are around you. Okay? So हमारा जो environment होता है उससे ही हमारा behavior, हमारी habits attach होती हैं. अब याद करो कि आप किसी पावरफुल पर्सनालिटी से जब जब मिले होगे, कुछ दिन तक एनर्जी रहती है उनसे मिलने के बाद, और जैसे जैसे हम दूर होते हैं एनर्जी कम होती जाती है. हम किसी मंदिर जाते हैं, उस वक्त हम मेडिटेशन करते हैं या उस एनर्जी में आते हैं, तो हम अपने आप बोलते हैं, सोचते हैं यार हम ये वापस से शुरू करेंगे. हमारा मन होने लगता है वापस से एम्बिशियस बनने का, वापस से चीजें करने का. पर जैसे जैसे हम वापस अपने रूटीन लाइफ में अपने वापस से उन 5 लोगों के पास आते हैं, हम वापस से वैसा ही सोचने लगते हैं. Right? Agreed? Write down A in the chat if you agree with me that yes, you are right, absolutely correct. Okay, so Ranu says yes, Pooja says yes, Shikha says yes. Neha, do you agree? Yes? You just show me a thumbs up because you are there so I can see you. You agree? Great. So the first thing is कि हमारे आसपास ऐसे लोग होने चाहिए जो हमें भी आगे बढ़ने के लिए एक मोटिवेशन दे. राइट? यू नीड टू डेली बेसिस पे इंटरैक्ट विद अ पर्सन हु इज बेटर देन यू. ओनली देन विल यू सी ना कि दुनिया में और क्या क्या है. ओनली देन विल यू गेट एन इंस्पिरेशन कि ठीक है, इसने किया तो मैं भी कर सकती हूँ. वरना हम अपने हस्बैंड से समझाएंगे हम ऐसा नहीं कर पाए, बोलेगा चल कोई नहीं, तू इतना तो अच्छा कर रही है, चलेगा ना. यस. मेरी मदर इन लॉ मुझे बोलेंगे ठीक है ना, तुम तो बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो, तुम इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हो, बहुत अच्छी बात है. ठीक है. यस. तो वो हमारे साथ वाले हमें अच्छा ही फील कराने की कोशिश करेंगे, पर जो हमसे बेटर होगा वो हमसे बोलेगा कि नहीं, तुम्हारा एफर्ट इतना सही नहीं जा रहा है, तुमको यहाँ पे इंक्रीज करना है अपना एफर्ट. ओके, सो यू नीड टू बी क्लोज टू समबडी हु इज बेटर देन यू. आपके सर्कल में कम से कम 3 लोग ऐसे होने चाहिए जो आपसे बेटर हो. पूजा हैज टू बी somebody with somebody who always feels joyful, क्योंकि पूजा के सर्कल में ऐसे लोग हैं जो वो ऑलरेडी नेगेटिव है, तो उसके अंदर भी नेगेटिविटी ट्रांसफर हो रही है. राइट? शिखा के साइड में ऐसे लोग होने चाहिए जो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग हैबिट फॉलोअर्स हो. हैव यू पीपल नोटिस व्हेन यू गो टू अ हॉस्टल, हॉस्टल का कल्चर ही ऐसे होता है कि यू नीड टू फॉलो द रूल्स, बट व्हेन यू आर आउट ऑफ द हॉस्टल, व्हेन यू कम टू योर हाउस, वहां पे सारे रूल्स रिलैक्स्ड होते हैं, सो यू वोंट फॉलो. सो एनवायरमेंट प्लेज अ वेरी बिग रोल, very very big role. And if you are the the rule setter of your family, आप ही procrastinator हो सबसे बड़े, तो आप अपने फैमिली में कैसे रूल सेट करोगे? कैसे करोगे? क्योंकि आप ही हेड ऑफ द फैमिली हो. जनरली लेडीज ओनली डिसाइड फॉर एवरीथिंग, नो? If you are not only able to do it, how will the other person do it? Or how will the family, feel that breath of, that you need to follow this culture? Okay, so environment plays a very very important role. Okay, so the first thing which you need to do is change your environment. Is it clear, everyone? Change your environment. Very powerful. Now write down 5 people with whom you have to be closer to you. Now think of your circle. Look at the people who are doing better than you. Even if आप उनसे चिढ़ते हो, आप उनसे jealous हो, आप उनके साथ अच्छे से बात नहीं कर पाते हो, still write down their name if they are doing better than you. Okay, write down. And now your first age aim for 2026 January will be to get closer to these people, to rub with their energy so that you start getting and seeing that circle of reality which they've already seen in their life. Okay? Even if they are not good, you say that I want to be close with this person. Regularly, I want to interact with this person. So that I start thinking like them. सक्सेसफुल होने के लिए सक्सेसफुल लोगों के साथ रह के उनके जैसा सोचना भी जरूरी है, क्योंकि अगर अभी तक अगर हमारे अंदर वो चीजें होती है तो हम हो चुके होते हैं. We all are reaching like 40 years. So like half of the age is crossed, you know, we all have crossed half of the age. Right? So we need to breathe with them, we need to talk to them, we need to see how do they look at such things. जिसके लिए मैं ऐसा सोचती हूँ, how much of work they do, you'll be able to see that once you are with them. Okay? So there are 4 stages of forming a habit, everyone. 4 stages होते हैं, ठीक है? Whatever I am telling you is from a book called Atomic Habits. सुना है किसी ने नाम? James Clear's. The book is very powerful book, and I started forming very strong habits once I started reading it. So whatever I'm telling you is from that book. Okay? So the first stage of forming a habit is make it obvious. The habit has to come in front of you and say that, okay, do me. It has to be you can see it that you have to do it. Now, how can you make it obvious? So write down one habit with which you have been struggling with. Anyone? Just one. Take one habit. कोई सी एक हैबिट जो आप फॉर्म करना चाहते हो या जो एक्शन आप लेना चाहते हो पर आप नहीं ले पा रहे हो. Just one. It could be in your health, it could be in your money, it could be career, it could be relationship, anything. A healthy lifestyle. So Shikha, can you write down just one? इतना बड़ा healthy lifestyle मुझे कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा कि वो खाने में है, कि workout में है, कि वो just एक meditation में है. क्या है वो? Specific उसको पकड़ो. Food habits. Okay. So can you tell me just one small thing, like in dinner, in lunch, या breakfast, कब? So we are actually, I'm sharing with you how to carve your habit. That's what we are doing right now. Okay.
See, I honk on a sweets on almost every time, 24 hours.
You eat sweets.
Yeah, a lot. A
Okay,
lot.
Okay. So binge करते हो आप sweets में.
Especially in midnight.
Okay, midnight. That means you don't sleep early.
No, almost 2-3 hours in 24 hours.
You don't sleep at all. Any
I don't
medical
get a
problem?
sleep. I don't get a sleep. I'm insomnia.
Okay. And because you're awake, you need to munch on something. Okay, great. So you need to cut down your sweets. That can be your habit. That can be your habit. Or I will prefer something in place of sweets. Like I'll cut down my sweet intake. I'll limit my sweet intake. This could be your habit. Okay. Pooja's habit is waking up early. Kitna wake up early, Pooja? Can you tell me the time, please?
Normally, I snooze my alarm. Na? I want to be consistent and little bit more early, matlab half an hour more, so that I can plan my day. So again, I can talk to myself. I want this from a long time, but I'm not able to do it.
Okay, tell me the time.
I wake up between 7 and 7:15.
Okay.
Many a days I'm late. I wake up 7:30 and it makes a mess for me.
No, so what is the time when you want to wake up? That's my question.
6:30.
6:30 is your time. You have to wake up at 6:30 every single day.
I want. Leaving Sundays. Leaving Sundays.
Okay. So just to write down, my habit is waking up at 6:30. Okay. Right. And Neha, would you like to share your habit? Unmute yourself.
Hmm. I I wake up early, but I don't do yoga, which I want to do, like religiously on a as a habit. I want to have it,
So again, health
but
is
I'm not able to have it as a habit.
no problem. So you want to start doing yoga. How many minutes a day?
30 minutes. 30 minutes. Like I try 15 minutes. 15 minutes I just do even now, like on and off basis. To keep it 30 minutes.
Okay. And your, as I understand how you're speaking, you don't have a consistent time where you practice it. It could be any part of the day.
Yes.
Right. Got it.
Yes.
Got it. So you can just try practice yoga for minimum 30 minutes.
Yes.
That could be your habit. Okay. Now, can you decide the time at which you're going to do it? Neha,
Yes.
can you write it down?
Like I have this 6 to 7. I have this time which where I can
Accommodate
do
this habit.
this.
Hmm.
Yes.
6 to 7 o'clock. So let's be specific.
Between
Let's
6
make
to
it
7. Yeah. I
6:30
wake up
to
at
7.
5. I wake up at 5. 5 to 6 I can do my religious stuff, and then 6 to 7 I have this time where I can fill in my yoga habit.
But yeah. So 6:30 to 7 will be your yoga time. Is it okay? 6:30 to 7?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
let's do it 6:30 to 7. Ranu, would you like to share what is your take on the habit? Would you like to share, Ranu? Ranu, are you there?
यस
Yes.
मैम
बताइए.
मैं भी मैम यही चाहती हूँ कि मैं मॉर्निंग वॉक वगैरह के लिए मैं समय नहीं दे पा रही हूँ. उठ तो
हाँ.
जल्दी जाती हूँ
हाँ.
पर बस उठते से घर के सारे काम में लग जाती हूँ.
हाँ.
तो बस यही है कि थोड़ा सा अपने खुद के लिए समय निकाल के जैसे योगा करूँ, मॉर्निंग वॉक कर लूँ, ऐसा.
ठीक है. तो आपको योगा, आपको वॉक करना है. कितनी देर वॉक करना है आपको? 15 मिनट से स्टार्ट करें?
या
15 मिनट्स. कितने समय आप टाइम डिसाइड करिए?
6:30.
6:30 to 6:45. ठीक है, डन?
यस यस.
ओके. सो रानू की हैबिट है, मैं 6:30 to 6:45 वॉक करूंगी. ओके, एवरी डे. ठीक है, संडे छोड़ सकते हैं हम. 5 days a week से शुरू कर सकते हैं. ओके. सो नाउ दिस इज योर हैबिट. एवरीबडी नोज योर हैबिट. हाउ विल यू मेक इट ऑब्वियस? आप उसे कैसे दिखाओगे अपने आप को? बिकॉज यू नो मैक्सिमम टाइम्स, याद रखना, हम अपनी हैबिट इसीलिए भूलते हैं क्योंकि वो इनविजिबल हो जाती है, वो हमें दिखाई नहीं देती. ओके. सो लेट्स मेक इट विजिबल. Where is that one place which you always see whenever you are in your house? Tell me fast. What is that one place? Write down in the chat.
Kitchen.
Yeah. Write down in the chat. It will be easy. Write down, because you're writing. When you write, the hand, it fires some neurons in your head and it gets ingrained. So kitchen is the place where Pooja goes every time. So kitchen will be the place jahan pe uski habit visible hogi. Okay. About others. किचन. शिखा इज ऑल्सो किचन. ओके. हाँ, स्वीट्स लेने के तो किचन ही जाना पड़ता है. नेहा. ऑल ऑफ यू आर किचन. ओके. सो ओके, रानू की बची हुई है. लेट्स वेट फॉर हर. लेट्स आस्क हर. रानू, क्विकली राइट डाउन वन प्लेस विच यू ऑलवेज सी. यू विल बी फाउंड देयर. Come on. Virtually on mobile. Okay. Kitchen. Great. So everybody, in your kitchen, there has to be a big A4 size paper and it has to be written, I will, like जो भी आपकी habit है या जो भी भाषा में आप लिखना चाहते हो, I will, like for Neha, I'll say, I will practice yoga for 30 minutes from 6:30 to 7 o'clock in the morning. Can you do it, Neha? Just write down little big with a good sketch pen. You can paste a picture also of a happy smiley or whatever inspires you, of a fitter body or of a happier Neha, of a joyful Neha. Okay. And just stick it. You will do it today and you will click picture and send it. Okay, everyone? That's your one action. Write down A wherever you're writing it. A is action. मैं जब अपने notes बनाती हूँ तो मुझे जहां जहां पे एक्शन लेना रहता है मैं वहां पे ए लिख देती हूँ. फिर जब भी मैं नोट्स देखती हूँ तो मुझे पता चल जाता है ये वाली चीज मुझे करनी ही है नेक्स्ट 24 आवर्स में. ओके, ठीक है। सो दिस हैज टू बी एक्शन। सो शिखा की हैबिट होगी आई विल नॉट पिक अप स्वीट्स, ओके, बिफोर आई डू 10 सिटअप्स। ठीक है शिखा? You can also do 10 alternate toe touches or 10 times something. Okay, just try this. Because picking up sweets is super duper easy for you. You're just going and picking up. There's no rule for it. Right? So I'm just making it unattractive for you. Okay, so let's proceed. Pooja ki kya habit hai? To get up early. Okay, to get up early. So Pooja will write in the kitchen big, big. कोई भी देख रहा हो, आपका मजाक उड़ा रहा हो, कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है। कोई भी आपको देख रहा, हाँ बोले, हाँ तू जरा उठेगी 6 बजे, हमेशा तो अपना अलार्म बंद कर देती है, तू क्या उठेगी? तो जस्ट स्माइल एंड से नो प्रॉब्लम, आई एम वर्किंग ऑन माई सेल्फ, ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम, लेट पीपल से व्हाट दे वांट, आई एम वर्किंग ऑन माई सेल्फ एंड आई वांट टू गेट बेटर। वो बोलेंगे इसके लिए मैं बेटर नहीं होंगी क्या? आई वांट टू चेंज माई एनवायरमेंट। और आप इसी तरीके से अपने घर के एनवायरमेंट को चेंज कर सकते हो आपके लिए, ओके, यस। So you'll write down and click a picture and show me. Ranu will also write down, I will walk for 15 minutes from 6:30 to 7:45 every morning. Okay? Right? आज ही करना है और उसको लगाना है बड़े बड़े में, ऐसे छोटे से पे मत लगाना कि दिखे ही नहीं, 2 दिन बाद वो काला पीला होके गिर गया, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। अच्छे से प्रॉपरली लिख के, बहुत, you should feel proud that you are starting something big. Okay? You should feel proud about taking action. नेहा ने अभी बढ़ाया, वाह नेहा क्या बात है, ये बात होती है, ये होती है स्पिरिट, अमेजिंग। ओके, सो लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट थिंग। अब आपने इसको ऑब्वियस कर दिया, ठीक है। ऑब्वियस करने के बाद हमें उसको प्लेस देना है अपने डेली शेड्यूल में, ठीक है। तो पूजा के में तो प्लेस में है 6:30, ठीक है, 6:30 टू 7, 6:30 उसे उठना है। रानू के में है 6:30 टू 7:45 वॉक करना है। नेहा के में है, सॉरी नेहा मैं एकदम से भूल गई आपका चैलेंज क्या था, या योगा, योगा यू विल डू। सो सी, ऑल 3 of you are getting up at 6:30, ठीक है। नाउ पूजा, आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होगी कि आप जैसे ही उठोगे आपको रानू को कॉल करना है रोज, ठीक है। आप रानू का नंबर ले लोगी, मैं भी शेयर करवा देती हूँ। आप रानू को कॉल करोगी कि रानू इट्स योर टाइम टू वॉक, ओके रानू, इज इट ओके if she calls you every morning at 6:30? Okay, Pooja. So for calling Ranu, you also have to get up. Problem solve? Okay? फिर रानू वॉक कर रही नहीं कर रही, आपका हेडेक नहीं है, आपको तो उठना है बस, राइट? सो ओनली आफ्टर you get up, you have to call Ranu. तो आपकी हैबिट होगी, आई हैव टू 6:30 कॉल रानू एंड से दैट यू हैव टू वॉक। आपकी हैबिट ये है पूजा, ठीक है, डन। तो आपका अपने आप गेटिंग अप कंप्लीट। सो पूजा इज सॉर्टेड, रानू को वॉक करना है, ओके। सो रानू, नाउ यू विल बी कॉलिंग नेहा एट 6:45. Ranu will call Neha at 6:45 and say that Neha, are you done with your yoga? ठीक है, and you will tell that I am done with my walking. 7 o'clock आप कॉल करना, ठीक है। पक्के से करना, नेक्स्ट 15 days के लिए करना ही है ये, या 2 जनवरी से शुरू करना, जैसा भी विल जस्ट टॉक अबाउट इट, ठीक है, ऑपरेशनली। सो पूजा विल गेट अप एंड कॉल रानू, Ranu will complete yoga and call Neha, walking and call Neha, and Neha will be done with the yoga till then. Okay, Neha? Yes? Okay. So what we have done, we have scheduled our habits like this. ठीक है, मतलब मैं उठ के इसको कॉल करूंगी तब जाके मेरा उठना होगा। दिस इज कॉल्ड स्टैकिंग, हैबिट स्टैकिंग बोलते हैं इसको, कि मैं ये वाला करूंगी फिर मैं इसको कॉल करूंगी। मैंने 2 हैबिट्स को कंबाइन कर दिया। या रानू, प्लीज टेक नेहाज नंबर एंड Pooja, Ranu, you also give your number to Pooja. Please take down the numbers because you people will be calling each other.
Okay.
Okay? Right? पूजा का नंबर आ गया। रानू, आप भी अपना नंबर दे दो पूजा को, पूजा आपको कॉल करेगी क्योंकि सुबह उठ के। डन। Okay, so now you have made it obvious, you have stacked it. दो चीजों को हमने ज्वाइन कर दिया. तो जब हम दो चीजों को ज्वाइन कर देते ना, जो हमें करनी ही करनी है, तो हम दूसरी वाली भी करते ही हैं. ओके, जैसे आपने बोला मैं ब्रश करूंगी और ब्रश करके मैं ये वाला काम करूंगी, बिकॉज ब्रशिंग तो करनी है, बिना ब्रश करे तो कहीं जाओगे नहीं. तो वो हैबिट इजिली हो सकती है. दिस इज कॉल्ड हैबिट स्टैकिंग. जस्ट एक टर्म लिख लो, कभी ध्यान रहेगा, किसी और को भी समझा रहे होगे तो इजी होगा. ओके, हैबिट स्टैकिंग. राइट नाउ शिखा, आपके साथ हम हैबिट को कैसे स्टैक कर रहे हैं? What is that one thing which you regularly do, which you feel it's good?
Honestly, there is nothing I'm doing good as of now since
Oh my
last 7.
नहीं यार, प्लीज ऐसा मत बोलो. दिस इज लाइक यू आर रियली इन अ self doubt state. Don't do that. There must be something which you do good. You must be making something for the family as a routine. Okay, share with me your routine. I'll tell you. Share with me your routine quickly.
I wake up, then I have like tiffin अगर बच्चों स्कूल जाती है तो.
हाँ.
Then I cook lunch and then I scroll the reels on mobile. Sometime if I come work because I started as a freelancer recently. I do work and then again evening cooking and go to sleep. Talk to Neha or my mom. That's it.
Okay, so there's so many things that you're doing good. See, you're getting up, you're getting freshened up, you're brushing your teeth every single day, you're getting ready, you're making food for the family, you are doing your office work, you're calling your sister. So many are there. Are you doing this every single day?
Yeah.
Whatever I spoke? Yeah. Now,
Yeah.
which is one thing which you will never ever miss out of these, in all of these, which you will never miss?
I don't know. Brush,
Anything which
maybe.
you never miss. Brush. Okay.
Brush.
So I want to give you something. After brushing your teeth, you will tell yourself that I'm such an awesome person. I'm such an awesome person. Today, I'm going to limit myself on eating sweets. You have to tell yourself. And with faith, Shikha, okay? It's not ठीक है ना, ये तो है वही है, तो कोई भी कुछ नहीं होता, इससे तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Not with this attitude. With a very strong faith that, today I'm going to be an awesome person because I'm going to limit. I'm going to work on myself. I've started working on myself. And very few people in the universe get something to work on themselves. They are moving in the same boat for years and years till they reach their graveyard. But I am the chosen one because I have decided that I'm going to work on myself. Can you do this? Every day, Shikha, every day. Can you speak it now?
I am an awesome person, and today I'm not going to eat sweets. I have to start working on myself.
I am working on myself.
I am working on myself.
Yes. And if you don't like it, don't write, I am not going to eat sweets. You just say that I am an awesome person and I am working on myself from today. I am very fortunate that I've got this moment, I got this realization, and I've started working on myself. I'm super duper happy for this. And do it with you when your body, see, when you're speaking, no, I feel that you don't mean it when you're saying it. You are just saying because I told you to say it. Yes, everybody, did you see it? How she said, I am an awesome person and I am working on myself. Not like this. With all your energy, like, yes, you're feeling that. Can you do that? Remember the time you felt happy for the last time. Remember when you were really happy, when you went on the trip with Neha. I think you only went. Yeah.
That's true.
Traveling
is thing makes me super happy.
Correct. So just think about those moments like, wow. And once you start limiting, put a reward that you'll plan another trip with Neha. But only when you limit your sweets. That will be your reward. Till then, no trips.
Okay.
Yeah, seriously. Because see, when you're working on yourself, it's a difficult journey, Shikha. It is. Definitely it will be. Okay? But the moment you achieve and you go there, you realize your power. So much of power inside you. You're such a sophisticated machine. There is nothing as sophisticated as the human body in the universe. Nothing. Okay? Absolutely nothing. And this sophisticated body, Shikha, has been given to you to do an amazing work in this lifetime. And if you're telling me that in the past 9 months, I don't know what I'm doing, it's like not good. Yes? Because you seem to be a fair person. You seem to be a good resource. You have to use it. We are not cockroaches. कि बस उठे, खाए, सोए, करे ये. No. We are a human body who is so sophisticated. This blessing has been given to you because you could do wonders in your life. When you realize that talent of yours, which you need to spread, you realize your power. And for realizing that power, you need to sweat. Nobody gets that power because they are not sweating. They need to sweat. Right? So now will you say with power that I am an awesome person and I am going to rock it. I am a work in progress. And I have chosen to work on myself. Yes? Come on. Try now with a smiling face and with a lot of power. If you feel that my words are not matching with your vibe, you can change the words also. It's up to you how you want to say it. Come on, try with a lot of energy.
Okay. I am an awesome person and I am working on myself to be an awesome person again.
Amazing, amazing. अभी स्माइल आया और थोड़ा सा और पावर आया. थोड़ी सी और स्माइल आएगी और थोड़ा सा और पावर आएगा तो और मजा आएगा. एक और बार ट्राई करते हैं. चलो, let's do it.
Okay. I am an awesome person. I am working on myself to become or to achieve my goals.
Yes, for this 2026, and I am going to kill it. And I'm going to freaking do it, whatever it takes. Right? So that has to be inside you, and it will be there because you have Neha beside you.
Yeah,
yes?
Absolutely.
Yes, it will be. It will happen. Okay. So that should be your goal, and this should be something which you do every single day after brushing your teeth. Okay? Yes?
Sure.
Because that will start working. Your brain will start working that you are a good person. You can do much better things in life than what you're doing right now. Okay? Slowly, slowly, things will start falling in place. Right? Superb. So this thing is sorted. Aapki habits obvious ho gayi, everybody? You can write that down, Shikha, on a small piece of paper and put it next to the mirror, which you see yourself while brushing. Simple. Wow, Neha, I'm going to put you on spotlight. Let us watch what she has made. Beautiful. I'm just putting you on spotlight. Wow, I will practice yoga 30. Wow, Neha, amazing. Superb, superb. Congratulations. Okay, Shikha, Pooja also has it. So I'll put Pooja on spotlight. I'll wake up. Wow, except Sundays. Superb. Well done, Pooja. Great. Okay, so let's come back and let's add the second thing now. Okay, you've made your habit obvious. And now we'll come to the second point. The second point is also super simple. It is to make your habit attractive. Attractive. Now, you can make yourself attractive whenever you go to a party or whenever you go for an outing. Okay, you make yourself attractive. The same thing we need to do with your habit. Okay. So your habit is to get up early. Because I told Pooja already how to make her habit attractive is she has to call Ranu. कि उसकी habit attractive हो गई उसके साथ. क्योंकि वो जब उसको कॉल करेगी तो उसको अपने आप समझ में आ जाएगा ठीक है मैं जब ये कॉल करूंगी तो उसके बाद मैं उठूंगी. ओके. तो आप लोगों की हैबिट्स तो एक्चुअली ऐसी है कि मैं उसको और अट्रैक्टिव नहीं कर सकती पर अट्रैक्टिवनेस के बारे में मैं आपको बता सकती हूँ हाउ टू डू दैट. ओके. सो व्हाट अट्रैक्टिवनेस इज बिकॉज यू हैव अ हैबिट ऑफ स्क्रोलिंग रील्स incessantly. Okay, you waste a lot of time while you're scrolling your reels. You want to start a habit of not scrolling. You want to start a habit of not scrolling. Okay, so you attach a very good habit before that. Okay, so say for example, I'm going to do 10 sit-ups before I start scrolling YouTube. What did I do? My temptation is to scroll. सो मैंने टेम्पटेशन को क्या किया, अभी मैंने टेम्पटेशन को अनअट्रैक्टिव बनाया, क्योंकि मुझे 10 सिटअप्स करने पड़ेंगे. ओके मुझे क्योंकि 10 सिटअप्स करने पड़ेंगे, तो हो सकता है मैं वो 10 सिटअप्स करूं ही नहीं, तो मैं स्क्रोल भी ना करूं. या अगर मैं 10 सिटअप्स कर लूंगी तो मुझे स्क्रोलिंग भी मिल जाएगा और मेरी बॉडी भी फिट हो जाएगी. लाइक दिस. So you make it attractive. You want to do it. You want to do it. Okay. Now, good habit को कैसे कर सकते हैं? Neha, Pooja, and Ranu, before sleeping, you can keep everything ready for you to do your habit. How can you do that? When Pooja gets up, the entire kitchen will have only things which she uses to start her day, only because she has to get up. So when she gets up, everything is in the place. So is it attractive for her? For Neha, it could be the yoga mat will be at the place where it has to be before you sleep. You will put your shoes, clothes, socks, and whatever things you use, your timer and whatever, you will put it nicely there. And then when you get up, you see that and you want to go and do that. So this is making habit attractive. Okay. So keeping everything in place so that when you start into that aura, you want to go and do it. That's making habit attractive. Okay. So for Ranu, it could be Ranu जो वॉकिंग करने के लिए जाएगी वो वाले शूज रखेगी, अपने क्लोथ्स रखेगी वॉकिंग के, अपने ब्रश वगैरह को सबको रेडी कर लेगी वॉकिंग पे जाने के पहले. You are making your habit so attractive that you will want to do it. This is also called setting up the environment. Your environment will tell you, ठीक है ना, इतनी मेहनत की थी तो कर ही लेते हैं. Okay. Yes, Ranu, you have a question?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now, किसी की कोई हैबिट है जो छोड़नी है किसी को, उसके लिए वाला फीचर बहुत अच्छा होता है. तो जैसे शिखा की हैबिट है कि उसको स्वीट्स छोड़ना है, तो स्वीट्स खाने के पहले आप एक हैबिट ऐसी इन्वॉल्व करो जो कि एक आपके नजर में गुड हैबिट हो. तो जब वो हैबिट करोगे उसी के बाद आप स्वीट्स खाओगे. So what are you doing? You are making your eating sweets unattractive. And when you make it unattractive, you will slowly not want to go there. Okay, there is a law called law of least effort. Law of least effort. मतलब कि हमारा जो ब्रेन होता है वो हमेशा वही वाला काम करना चाहता है जिसमें सबसे कम पावर, सबसे कम एनर्जी, सबसे आसानी से हो जाती है. ओके, तो हमें कोई भी दो काम दिख रहा है हम वही करेंगे जो इजी है, या एक काम करने के अगर दो तरीके होंगे तो हम इजी वाला ही प्रेफर करेंगे. राइट. सो मेकिंग इट अनअट्रैक्टिव मेक्स यू नॉट डू इट. ओके, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल किसी को मोबाइल गेम्स खेलने की बहुत ज्यादा आदत होती है, या फिर किसी को अपने वीडियो गेम्स खेलने की बहुत आदत होती है. तो व्हाट पीपल डू इज whenever I play, I will pack everything, detach everything and keep it on the top shelf of somewhere. Now, when I have to do that habit, I need to take it out, attach it again, and take the video, do every setting, and then play it. So is it unattractive? Every single day, can somebody do it? No, nobody can do it. Okay, so it's unattractive. Right? Everybody got it? How habits can be made unattractive. Yes, there seems to be a disconnect. Yes. Unattractive habit? Yes. Yoga, अभी तक आप जो हैबिट कर नहीं पा रहे थे वो अनअट्रैक्टिव है. कैसे वो अनअट्रैक्टिव? अभी तक जो हैबिट कर रहे थे वो अनअट्रैक्टिव थी. पूजा के लिए सुबह उठना अनअट्रैक्टिव था, अब वो अट्रैक्टिव कैसे हो गया? क्योंकि वो रानो को कॉल करेगी तो उसके लिए अट्रैक्टिव हो गया. राइट पूजा? बिकॉज यू हैव टू कॉल समबडी. इट्स योर इमेज का सवाल. मुझे तो कॉल करना है, उसको करना है, तो मुझे उठना ही पड़ेगा. ओके. फॉर नेहा, योगा मैट निकालो, 15 मिनट अपने शेड्यूल से निकालो, unattractive. But when you get up early in the morning next day, because you're already up at 5, when you see your mat nicely put there, your shoes, whatever you need, nicely put up there beautifully, would you want to do it? So it's attractive for you now. Okay. So this is the way we make it attractive, unattractive. Okay. So Shikha, for your habit will be that sheet will be up there on the mirror. So it's easy for you to go there and repeat. In 3 days time only, you'll remember what you have to say and you'll start feeling it. with a smile. Right? Yes? So everybody on it. So second point was to make it attractive. Done? Or make your bad habits unattractive. Yes? Okay, let's move to the third one. Make it easy. Make it super duper easy to do it. Okay? Now आप सब लोग अपनी अपनी हैबिट्स देखो, उसमें से कौन सा एक ऐसा पार्ट है जो बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, जो आपको लगता है कि आप इस कारण नहीं कर पाते हो इसको. Look at your habit. The one habit which you have written. What is that difficult part in your habit? बहुत honest होके बताना, because we are treating it actually. Think about it if you want.
Sorry, please. I mean, I'm not able to
Understand what you need to do.
understand what exactly.
Okay.
See, for example, if stop scrolling the reels or looking at the mobile, so making 10 sit-ups can be the less attractive stuff for me because I'm a lazy person. So is this what we are talking about?
No. So that was making your habit unattractive. So we have made it unattractive because you need to do 10 setups only, then can you grab a sweet and eat.
Okay.
So that's making your habit unattractive. Okay.
Okay.
Which means that if you do 10 sit-ups, only then you are eligible to eat a sweet. And which means that if you do not do the 10 sit-ups, can you eat? If you don't do the 10 sit-ups, can you eat?
Technically, yes.
Why?
Ideally.
Why technically yes?
I mean, I can still go and grab the sweet and eat, right?
No, but we are talking about the rules which you're forming for yourself, which you're going to abide by.
Right. So that is what technically yes, but ideally I should not.
Okay. So let's not talk about morals. Let's work on the rules which we are working on, which you have decided to work on. Every single day when you're going to brush your teeth, what are you going to tell yourself?
That I'm an awesome person
I'm
and
working on myself. Now, if you go by the technical rules which you have built for yourself, if you are working on yourself, should you be going and eating the sweet if you have not done the condition?
No.
So there's your answer. That means you cannot grab a sweet once you have not completed the first job. That's the whole point of being an honest person to yourself. Not to a master, not to a teacher, not to God, but to yourself. At least with yourself, you will be with full honesty. When every single day you're looking into the mirror and telling yourself, I am an awesome person, I am going to work on myself. How can you not abide by the rules which you have set for yourself? Right? It's only about you, working for you, working for you. Okay? So let's move forward to the third thing which I was saying. I was saying to make it super duper easy, to make that habit easy. Okay? So easy means that अगर हम बोल रहे हैं कि हम 30 मिनट योगा करने वाले हैं, the idea is not to actually do it for 30 minutes from the first day. The idea is when you get up, you want to do the activity for at least 2 minutes. Okay, you want to do the activity for at least 2 minutes. हम अपने आप के लिए show up करें. Showing up is the most important. But it should not be so difficult. इतना difficult नहीं होना चाहिए कि आप बोलो कि नहीं यार कल से करेंगे. Showing up ही नहीं हो पाए. Okay, so easy means that you are showing up for the activity. At least you are trying for yourself. So for everyone, if you are saying that, okay, मैं 10 sit-ups करूंगी, okay, every single day, 10 के बजाय उसको make it 1. Not for you, Shikha, because yours is an unattractive thing. उसको तो 10 ही रहना पड़ेगा. पर मैं पूजा, नेहा और रानो के लिए बोल रही हूँ. नेहा के लिए हो सकता है कि I will do only 5 minutes of yoga. Only 5. But I'll never skip. जैसा पहला था ना कि कभी मैं 15 मिनट करती हूँ, कभी मैं नहीं करती हूँ. So वो नहीं करती हूँ हमें अभी रिमूव करना है. So for that, your habit should be so easy that you cannot miss it. You cannot just miss it. That's it. So you just have to show up for yourself every single day. So I go to a dance class every day, okay? Yesterday I went to a mela, and my son has a painting class at the same time, okay? Now I came back at 6:15. मेरी class 6 to 7 होती है, okay? Today also I had it. Before I started the session, I had the dance class, ठीक है? आज भी मैं 6:30 बजे डांस क्लास गई सिर्फ 30 मिनट्स के लिए, बिकॉज आई थॉट दैट रूल शुड नॉट ब्रेक. वी शुड नॉट, अपनी तारीफ नहीं कर रही हूँ, आई एम जस्ट शेयरिंग एन एग्जाम्पल विथ यू दैट when you show up for yourself, life shows up for you. When you show up for yourself, life will show up for you. Life will create options for you. When the life knows, that this girl is showing up every single day for herself. Let me show her what opportunity looks like. Let me show her what success looks like. Right? Only then the universe will come to know that, okay, she's working hard. She's very serious this time. Let's give it to her this time. Okay? So showing up. 1 मिनट के लिए भी करूंगी, बट करूंगी. हम क्या सोचते हैं, नहीं हमें तो 30 मिनट करना था, तो अभी तो 30 मिनट बचे नहीं, तो रहने देते हैं. ऐसे ही होता है ना, हम इतने बिजी रहते हैं. वॉक करनी है, जब तक 15 मिनट नहीं करेंगे तब तक उसे वॉक नहीं बोलेंगे. नहीं, आप 10-10 मिनट की भी वॉक कर सकते हो, आप 5 मिनट की भी वॉक कर सकते हो. मैं 1 मिनट में 100 कदम की वॉक करती हूँ जब भी मेरे पास टाइम होता है. तब जाके कितने हजारों स्टेप्स हो पाते हैं दिन में, क्योंकि किसी के पास 1 घंटे 2 घंटे का टाइम नहीं होता है वॉक करने का. ओके, सो शो अप फॉर योरसेल्फ फॉर एटलीस्ट 2 मिनट्स. इसको 2 मिनट रूल लिख सकते हो आप. फॉर द थर्ड थिंग, इट्स अ 2 मिनट रूल. ओके, कभी आपको ऐसा लगता है दैट यू आर ऑन द वर्ज ऑफ मिसिंग योर हैबिट, से आई वोंट मिस, आई डू इट फॉर 2 मिनट्स. ओके, आई जस्ट डू इट फॉर 2 मिनट्स. फॉर पूजा इट कुड बी, मैं जब स्नूज कर रही होंगी, स्नूज करने के पहले मुझे 2 मिनट खड़े होके ब्रश करके आना पड़ेगा, सिर्फ 2 मिनट, फिर सो जाना फिर, ऐसा. Okay, so what will happen is that you are building yourself on the process. Okay, so this is easy. Make your habit easy. Now let's talk about the last rule. अच्छा, easy का opposite क्या होता है? Difficult, है ना? इसके पहले सोचो हमारी हैबिट्स कितनी डिफिकल्ट हैं, जिनके कारण हम उन्हें कर नहीं पाते, पर अभी इजी होंगी तो हम कर पाएंगे. Isn't it? If it is easy for you, you will do it. Okay, so let's take the last thing. The last thing is make your habit satisfying. You feel satisfied after doing it. How can you make it satisfying? चलो आज एक और स्वीट खा लेते हैं. Satisfying? No. It's not like this, okay? Because you're going for a walk and then you're eating something sweet. It won't be satisfying. It will be breaking your body. Okay, so satisfying can be done by 2 things. One is give a reward to yourself, which you have been, saying कि ये reward बहुत बड़ा है. तो उस रिवॉर्ड के लिए जब आप बड़ा एक्शन लोगे तो आप वर्दी हो जाओगे उस रिवॉर्ड के. ओके, लाइक आई विल गिव यू माय एग्जांपल ओनली बिकॉज़ सी व्हाटएवर आई एम शेयरिंग विथ यू इज समथिंग व्हिच आई हैव डन. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम शेयरिंग विथ यू. सो February 2024, सी नॉर्मली आई टेक माय क्लासेस ऑन अ नॉर्मल Zoom अकाउंट, जिसमें 40 मिनट के बाद कट हो जाता है, फिर मुझे वापस से लिंक चालू करना पड़ता है. ओके, एंड द Zoom सब्सक्रिप्शन इज अराउंड 13 to 17,000. ओके, so last year I said that, okay, now I need to go for my Zoom subscription. But for that, I need to do something. So I said that, okay, at night, I'm not going to eat any carbs. Carbohydrates nahi khaungi raat mein. And I did that in February and I got myself a Zoom subscription. And I felt so proud because I earned it for myself. I earned it for myself. And मुझे बुरा नहीं लगा फिर वो खर्च करने में. Because I have earned it. I did it. और कभी-कभी ये बड़ी चीजें ही हमको बड़ा एक्शन लेने के लिए रेडी करती है. हम तभी वो बड़ा एक्शन ले पाते हैं जब हम अपनी आइडेंटिटी को इतना बड़ा करेंगे. ओके, यस, सो लेट्स डू समथिंग बिग. ओके, तो उस बिग के लिए आप एक रिवॉर्ड रख सकते हो. सो कैन यू थिंक ऑफ अ रिवॉर्ड फॉर योरसेल्फ जो आप वेट कर रहे हो किसी टाइम से. यस, डू इट, राइट इट डाउन दैट दिस विल बी माय रिवॉर्ड इफ आई डू दिस एक्टिविटी फॉर 21 days or 30 days. Think of it nicely. And when you're done, show me a thumbs up. And if anybody wants to share, they can share. It will be helpful for others. पूजा बहुत हंस रही है. पूजा को शेयर करना है रिवॉर्ड. Yes, share. Unmute yourself and share.
I'll buy gold for myself.
Oh, amazing. Good.
In any amount, lesser, bigger, I'll think about that. I'll buy
Superb.
gold.
Superb. So write it down, Pooja. If I do this, for how many days are you planning?
Again, matlab, how many days? What do you want to?
Your habit of getting up at 6:30. How many days will you do it? Then you'll buy the gold.
For a month
For a month, 30 days.
or
Great.
two. Yeah.
उसके बीच में सिर्फ संडेज का ब्रेक होगा, बाकी ब्रेक नहीं होना चाहिए. Yes. Anybody else who wants to share? Come on, show up for yourself. Be accountable. Shikha, Ranu, would you like to share? Yes, share.
Yeah. So, two habits I want to have. One, stop eating sweets. Second, stop scrolling the unnecessary reels
Okay.
for 90 days. And I will gift myself a trip to Kedarnath or Muktinath.
Okay, great. But आपको नहीं लगता शिखा ये 90 days आपने बहुत बड़ा कर लिया है? Difficult habit.
No, in June. Or by end of 26, I will go on a trip if I achieve this 90 days.
नहीं, 90 days मुझे लग रहा है कि बहुत बड़ा टाइम है.
Okay.
हाँ, तो इस 90 days को आप थोड़ा छोटा कर लो, because when you are making a way for failing, तो फेल ही होंगे. 90 days बहुत लंबा स्पैन होता है किसी के लिए जो अभी स्टार्ट कर रहा है. So you can do it 30 days and maybe then take a little break and then start again. Something like this.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
So maybe do it for 21 days, take a break of 6 days, then start again. And when you do this like this for 3 times, then maybe you can do it. But keep a smaller reward for the first part when you complete, then for the second phase, and then for the third phase. Every phase is going to make you stronger when you complete it. Okay, so maybe you can just calculate how much money is required. So the first phase, break it into 3 parts. अगर 90,000 है या 50,000 है, उसको 3 parts में divide कर लो. तो first phase का 10,000 मैं अभी account में deposit कर दूंगी. Second phase का 10,000 उसके बाद, और third phase का 10,000 उसके बाद. Clear? Like this. So everything will work together for you. Okay? Good. So done. So this is about making your habits satisfying. One is reward. Second is reward you will achieve only when you complete the activity for 30 days. But उसके पहले कैसे satisfying करेंगे? उसके पहले ऐसे करेंगे that you can either build a habit tracker and keep on taking it every single day. That is also giving a relief to your brain that I am doing this activity. Put a tick mark next to your activity once you have done it. And the second one is, if you don't like the habit tracker, because आपको थोड़ा pressure आता है, तो आप एक small jar ले सकते हो, okay? और उसमें चने डाल सकते हो, या paper clips डाल सकते हो, या फिर कोई balls डाल सकते हो. जैसे एक habit करी, एक ball fill किया. Next day उस habit को किया, next ball fill किया. धीरे धीरे वो jar fill up हो जाएगा. That is also satisfying for somebody, okay? So you can do this for habit become satisfying for you. Okay, Ranu, Neha, Pooja, you can also do it. This is super simple. If you can't maintain a tracker, tracker is wonderful if you have it, but without that also you can do it with this. Any grain you can take. Yes,
I
Pooja?
can make a jar and put money.
Yes,
Yeah,
why
I'm
not?
making a habit
Why
and
not
I have to
put
put
Yes, why not? Put a 10 rupee note, 100 rupee note, 50 rupee note. You can decide whatever you want to put every single day. That's a beautiful idea. You will save money also. Right? Okay. So the next is make accountability partner. One is your satisfying habit. Accountability partner को जब हमें report करना पड़ता है, so it puts a little pressure on you. जैसे कि रानू को नेहा को कॉल करना है, पूजा को रानू को कॉल करना है. That's an accountability partner thing which we did. Okay, so which will make sure that you are going to do the activity anyhow. Okay, so can you tell me now what are the 4 stages of making the activity, making your habit last forever? So anyone for the first stage, what is the first thing which we do? We did 4.
Show up.
Show up. Okay, great. Showing up for the activity, showing up for your habit. First was to make it very obvious. To make your habit very obvious. Okay, what is the second one? Attractive. Make your habit look very attractive to you. The third one is showing up, what Shikha said, to make it super duper easy that you do not fail in it. Absolutely won't fail in it. Okay? As a teacher, Neha would know कि जब हम बच्चों को कुछ सिखाते हैं उसके बाद हम उनको इतना इजी क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं ताकि उनको विनिंग फील हो, राइट? ताकि उनको डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन नहीं देते, इजी से स्टार्ट करते हैं. व्हाई? सो दैट दे स्टार्ट बिल्डिंग अप देयर हैबिट, राइट? कि उन्हें सक्सेस फील हो. तो आपको भी अर्ली सक्सेस जब फील होगा, आपको वो छोटा छोटा सक्सेस हेल्प करेगा बड़ा सक्सेस के लिए. Okay, making you bigger and bigger and bigger. Okay, your baby steps. Now the last one is to make your habit satisfying, which you have already done. You have put your reward, you're planning to make a habit tracker or your habit jar for yourself and your accountability partner. So Shikha's accountability partner can be Neha. Okay, अगर नेहा का डंडा चलता है तो, अगर नहीं चलता तो then search for some other account, नहीं चलता तो then search for some other accountability partner जिसकी सुनो आप. Again, environment. Yeah, right? So this is about habits. Did you people understand? Like small things which we can actually tweak and bring, big results in whatever we are doing in our life, right? इसमें कोई डाउट है आप लोगों को? Any doubts which you have? या अभी भी कुछ लग रहा हो कि यार ये नहीं कर पाऊंगी मैं? Like पूजा said कि मेरे फैमिली इतना लेट सोती है तो मैं सुबह कैसे जल्दी उठूंगी? Right? So which means आपकी जो हैबिट आपने वेकिंग अप की 6:30 बोली है, वो वेकिंग अप की हैबिट नहीं, स्लीपिंग अर्ली की हैबिट पहले होनी चाहिए. उसको इतना ब्रेक डाउन करना है हमको. पहले 1 मंथ आप स्लीप अर्ली करो, फिर उसके बाद वेकिंग अप अर्ली करो नेक्स्ट मंथ से, क्योंकि जब आप स्लीप अर्ली करोगे तब आप ऑटोमेटिकली वेक अप अर्ली कर पाओगे. ओके, सो व्हाटएवर इज योर हैबिट, ब्रेक इट लाइक दिस. Okay, so one suggestion to Shikha is replace all your sweets in the house. You have a lot of sweets in your house. You should just give it to people. Don't have them. When something is in front of you, you will eat it or put it up like right up so that it becomes really difficult for you to get up every time and grab it. Or replace them with very satisfying and healthier options like roasted makhanas, roasted nuts. Right? So ये एक simple चीज है जो आप easily कर सकते हैं. Because it is in front of you, you're eating it. You won't go to the market and buy every single time you want to eat. Okay? Yeah. So that's about it. Now, also ladies, I have a habit challenge which is starting. And that's why I had planned this habit session. Okay? Habit challenge आप join कर सकते हो, which will be, I will be your accountability partner. I will be there. I will be motivating you. I think Ranu, Pooja and Neha have already done the habit challenge. एक बार तो किया ही है सबने. यस, सो डिड यू फील दैट एनर्जी लास्ट टाइम? कोई शेयर करना चाहेगा अपना एक्सपीरियंस? यस नेहा. ओके, रानू बोलना चाह रहे हैं. यस रानू.
मैम मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. मैंने काफी स्टिचिंग का मैंने लिया था चैलेंज, तो मैंने बहुत सारे मेरे ड्रेसेस रेडी करी है और तब से मैं कंटिन्यू कुछ ना कुछ कर ही रही हूँ.
गुड. सो दैट मीन्स आपने अपनी उस हैबिट को स्टार्ट किया स्टिचिंग की. रानू ने स्टिचिंग का लिया था कि मैं रोज कुछ ना कुछ स्टिच करूंगी, तो रानू रोज स्टिचिंग करती थी और रोज ग्रुप में भेजती थी फोटोज की स्टिच करके. ओके, एंड रानू को मैं याद दिलाना चाहूंगी, शुरू के 2 दिन इतना मुश्किल था उनके लिए टाइम निकालना. मैंने पीछे पड़ के मैसेजेस कर करके, रानू हो जाएगा, कर लो, हो जाएगा. और जब पहले 2 दिन किया उसके बाद से अपने आप
12 मतलब 11:30 के बाद में फोटो डालती थी. मैंने लास्ट
पर करा ना, करने से आपकी मसल बिल्ड हुई ना कि मैं कर सकती हूँ. इतना डिफिकल्ट नहीं जितना मैं उसे बनाती हूँ डिफिकल्ट. हमारा माइंड हमें ट्रिक करता है एक्चुअली, क्योंकि हमने वो कभी करा नहीं होता है, इसलिए. यस नेहा.
Same with me. Like it was difficult to do that. I took a challenge for walk.
Yeah.
Took up a challenge for walk, and I did walk even at night. 11:30 by 12, I was completing my challenge, and for a quite good reasonable time, I continue like I sustained that. And then something happened that I just broke it. I was not resilient enough.
Okay.
But yeah, for a reasonable time, I was doing it and I was happy happy by that time, when I was doing it, I had this sense of accomplishment कि ठीक है, कुछ किया. That was it.
और नेहा, आपको ऐसा लगा कि शायद आप इस चीज में अगर डेडिकेशन शो कर रहे थे तो आपकी बाकी एरियाज भी इम्प्रूव हो रहे थे, ऐसा फील हुआ आपको?
हो रहे थे. Yes.
क्योंकि आप बाकी जगहों पर भी
Things
more
changed.
energy show up
Things
कर रहे थे.
improved. Other areas.
क्योंकि
Yes.
the energy which you fluctuated at one place is the same energy which takes you everywhere else. अगर आप एक दिन लेजी उठोगे तो वो पूरा दिन वैसे ही चलता है, करेक्ट? पर अगर एक दिन एनर्जी के साथ कुछ शुरू करते हो तो पूरा दिन वो एनर्जी आपके साथ रहती है.
With my bachas at home, with my bachas in school, everywhere relationships improved. With my own daughter, with my bachas at school, at both the places.
Correct. So that's what happens when you change your circle. आप किसी के साथ कांटेक्ट में आए, आपने देखा कि और भी लोग कर रहे हैं, पोस्ट कर रहे हैं, तो उससे हमारा एनवायरनमेंट चेंज हुआ. Yes, every single day you were waiting for something. That's why when you change your environment, the environment makes you do certain things जो आप रेगुलर में कभी भी नहीं करोगे. Because home का environment बहुत different होता है हमारा, जो हम करना चाहते हैं, जो हम बनना चाहते हैं उससे. Right? So पूजा, आप शेयर करना चाहोगे आपका एक्सपीरियंस, आपका रिलेशनशिप और इमोशंस के ऊपर था largely?
I was on a habit of writing, journaling, and meditation. I actually stopped journaling. I did it for 15 or मतलब जितना दिन अपना था, and again for 1 week more. But I don't know how it stopped me. I was not able to write it. But when I was writing it, I was something clear in my head. No, it's the problem. How can I work it on it? But I was not able to again journalize things.
No problem. But when you did that, did you feel better?
Yes.
Definitely.
Definitely.
Yes. That's what I wanted to hear. Because जब आपने वो किया, आपको liberated feel हुआ, क्योंकि आपने शेयर किया, आपने अपने आप को बताया वो क्या है. क्योंकि बहुत बार हम सोचते रहते हैं पर हमें खुद नहीं पता हम क्या सोच रहे हो, क्या exactly बोलना चाहते हैं. Okay, so Shika, that was just to share with you कि ladies ने actually करा है. There were 15 people, I think 15 or 20 people who did it. This time also around 7 of them are already there in the group. अगर आप लोग भी चाहते हो
nothing more. I wanted to meditate or do yoga. I told you one more habit, but I was not consistent. But from 15 days back, I have joined a yoga class and it's improving me.
Very
It's
good.
really improving me.
Very good. So because of discipline you have set for yourself ना, अगर हम खुद करने पे आते हैं तो हम नहीं कर सकते.
6:30 to 7:30 I have to do yoga, so I have to do yoga only. Nobody now disturbs me also.
Wonderful, wonderful. बहुत अच्छा है. Very good. So अगर वो खुद नहीं कर सकती तो उसने दूसरे को हायर कर लिया करवाने के लिए. That's even better because उसके साथ आप डिसिप्लिन में आ जाओगे. Wonderful. Okay. So ladies, you can also join the habit challenge. We are starting on January 8th. 8 of January को शुरू कर रहे हैं. जब तक सबकी पार्टीज खत्म हो जाएंगी, सबका न्यू ईयर का भूत उतर जाएगा. Everybody will be in their regular self. Then we are going to kick off the challenge on Jan 8 and we are going to end it on January 24. उसके बाद आप खुद कंटिन्यू कर सकते हो. January 24 को भी मैं कुछ स्पेशल चीज आपको बताऊंगी. I'm planning something on it ताकि हमारी वो एनर्जी खत्म नहीं हो, वो स्टे करे हमारे साथ ओवर एंड ओवर, शायद इस होल ईयर तक स्टे करे. ऐसा कुछ मैं सोच रही हूँ, एक रेगुलरिटी लाने का चीजों में. ओके, तो यस,
wanted to say कि meetups we can plan, क्योंकि बहुत बार irregular हो जाते हैं in a 15 days or a week for only 15 minutes or 30 minutes, so that we can be regular.
लास्ट टाइम ऑल्सो पूजा की सकते, बस मेरी बैंडविड्थ इतनी नहीं थी कि मैं ऐसा कुछ प्लान कर सकूं, पर इस बार मैं प्लान कर रही हूँ और मैं प्रॉपर इंसाइटफुल सेशंस प्लान कर रही हूँ. फियर कैसे टैकल करना है, फेलियर्स को कैसे टैकल करना है, एंगर को कैसे टैकल करना है, जेलसी को कैसे टैकल, मैंने ऐसे सब सेशंस बना रही हूँ. मैं आई एम इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ फ्रेमिंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स. तो हम हर फ्राइडे
I wanted this from a long time.
हाँ, मतलब कुछ एक फ्राइडे हम सिर्फ शेयरिंग करेंगे, एक फ्राइडे हम सिर्फ अपने आप को सेलिब्रेट करेंगे, एक फ्राइडे हम सिर्फ लर्निंग करेंगे, फिर उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे. समथिंग लाइक दिस विच कीप्स ऑन मूविंग. तो ऐसा मैं कुछ सोच रही हूँ. एंड वंस आई डू इट January 24th को आई लेट यू नो क्या है. एंड टिल देन इफ यू पीपल विश, प्लीज कम फॉर द हैबिट चैलेंज. Habit challenge की crazy offer नेहा ने मुझसे पूछी थी. Crazy offer is here. Because you people attended the session, the normal fee is the normal fee is 500. For you people, it will be 250 rupees. Just 50% discount. Okay. But there's one more crazy deal. One more crazy deal. If you want to get one person along with you, then that will be 200 rupees per person. It's not 250, it will be 200 rupees per person. Okay. If a couple wants to join in, it will be like 400 for both together. Okay. So as many people as you join, you can ask them. And if you bring 4 people, you won't have to pay the fee. That's the bumper dhamaka. Okay. If you bring 4 people to join the class, join this habit challenge, you don't have to pay any fee. Okay. So they can come at 250 because you people attended the session today. They won't be charged 500. Okay. So that's the, I am in with Ashish. Great. Amazing. Amazing. Superb. So you can spread the word. You can call more people. You know, when it's more people, it's all the fun to work on ourselves. Okay. So that's it. Any other question? Habit challenge ka pattern bilkul वैसे ही होगा. So every single day, you just have to share which habit you're planning. Yes, sure, Neha. So your seat will be free. They have to pay 250. Your seat will be free. So Neha is smiling. Neha is like total businesswoman. Superb, superb. Okay, so let me just tell you, आप 8th of January को अपनी habit frame करोगे and मुझे share करोगे, सब लोगों को share करोगे कि वो habit आप कैसे evidence दिखाओगे उसका. Okay, so if you're walking, your walking steps need to be shown. Okay, रानू जिन स्टिचिंग करा था तो पिछली बार वो फोटोग्राफ भेजती थी, अभी वो मुझे अपने स्टेप्स भेजेंगी वॉक करके कि मैंने 6-7 o'clock to मतलब जितना भी देर वॉक किया कितने स्टेप्स हुए. ओके, पूजा विल गेट अप एंड क्लिक द पिक्चर ऑफ द क्लॉक कि अभी 6:30 बज रहा है एंड आई एम अवेक. दैट विल बी योर एविडेंस टू गेट अप. और मे बी यू जस्ट टाइप द मैसेज दैट आई एम अवेक, बट सो मच जाना मैसेज करने के बाद. Shikha's message would be maybe to send a video of herself telling everyone that I am awesome, I'm working on myself. Okay, to just have that energy in you. Yes? Yeah. Okay, so think about it. It's not necessary that you do the same thing what I've told you. It could be something different, but you decide for yourself because now you can create your own habits. You can create it with the 4 pillars I've shared with you. Okay, so create your own habit, and if you want to join the challenge, come in. I'm waiting for you. And let's rock it. Let's rock the first year only with a lot of energy, lot of joy, and feel winners. Okay, 24th को ही सब winners होने चाहिए. Okay. How much these 3 other people? So because Neha, you were attending the session today, 250 per person. Yours will be free. You don't have to pay anything. 3 people will pay. Yeah. Any doubt? पूरी business mind चल रहा है अभी mathematics. English teacher is doing mathematics. ओके, पर ऐसा नहीं कि तुम इतने ले आओ भाई 200-250 रुपए में.
Then share with us, Neha. She is bringing. Are you going to plan this? एक मिनट बेटे. Plan this for if anyone is interested, they want to meet or meeting like they want to understand.
Sorry, say that again, Pooja. मुझे समझ में नहीं आया.
We have a meeting. We are planning to have this challenge, but other person want to understand what exactly we are going to. Your views are different, and we are going to talk to them are different. Because you will be
Sure.
planning.
So what we can do, we will have another session maybe on the 4th of January, because I will also have more people in these 4, 5, 6 days. They would want to know more about the challenge. So I will be happy to do another small meetup where I just share with them what's the challenge.
Okay.
Sure. For your Q&As and everything. Okay. So this 250 offer is only for you people, not for anybody else. So keep it to yourself and only for your loved ones. Okay. For other people, it's 500 per seat. Okay. So did you enjoy the session today? Ranu, Pooja, Neha? Yes, Shikha, share.
I have one query. So just correct my understanding. So 250 if we want to join.
If you personally alone want to join.
Yeah. If we are asking someone else, so we have to tell them the fee of 500, not 250, right?
No. So if it's your family, your friends, if they are joining, they can join at 250 if there are 3 people.
Okay.
And you don't have to pay anything for yourself. Your entry will be free of cost in the challenge.
Okay.
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 If I'm
Sure.
taking one person, it will be 200 me and 250,
Yes.
200
As a
for
couple,
Himani.
2 people enter together, only 200, 200.
Okay. Okay. Sure.
Yes. So that's it. So, ladies, that was it for today. Shikha, will you share your experience? Do you feel this time which you spent with me was fruitful for you? Did it work on you?
Absolutely. Absolutely. See, sometimes what happens that we know all good things, but there is a push which is required. So I think that pushes you for me because I know what need to be done, how it need to be done. We all know,
Yeah, we
but
all are very intelligent.
yeah.
Yes, we
So
all
yeah,
are very intelligent.
Manisha, can I leave it if it's done?
having this session. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you, Shikha, for coming in and being there for yourself. You are going to rock it this year. I totally believe in you. I totally believe in you. 100%. And I'm soon going to see the pictures of you in Kedarnath with Neha.
Yeah.
Yes, Pooja.
Saying if it's done, can I leave? It's
Yes, we are
anything
done. We all can go. We all can have a good time now with our families. Take care of yourself, everyone. Message me if you wish to join. Okay. Take care. Bye. Good night. Thank you.